How to replace the batteries in a QardioArm smart blood pressure monitor. Now, you're going to need to replace the batteries. When the batteries get to 25% full, you will see the little battery icon show up on the screen. It'll still work, but you're going to need to replace the batteries soon. And then once the battery is dead, it will have the dead battery sign on the screen and it will no longer work. Now, you just need to get 4 AAA batteries. If you don't have them, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them. Once you've got the batteries, it's very easy. We're going to come over to this side of the monitor. This is the reset hole here. And if we come down to the very bottom here, there is a little button which will release this entire face plate here, exposing the batteries. Once we pop that plate off, the batteries will look like this in here. These are 4 AAA batteries again. So we'll just pop the old batteries in and put the new ones, pop the old batteries out and put the new ones in. Again, going plus side in, plus side out, plus side in, plus side out. And then we can just pop the cover back on and we're done.